D5S bicycle handlebar camera installation reference video. The host is small and portable. Wired controller bracket. Host bracket. D-shaped extension bracket. GPS module. 3-in-1 power cable. Charging cable. Waterproof cover. Tire pressure sensors. V-SYS. D-shaped extension bracket installation. Place the gasket and the bracket above the hole of the rearview mirror rod. Install the rearview mirror back. Then tighten with a wrench. Tighten and fix the 360° rotating bracket onto the Z-shaped bracket. Choose a suitable bracket and install the wired controller on the Z-shaped bracket. Tighten and fix it in place. Put the host in the circular bracket. Please note that the top of the bracket should be aligned with the smooth surface of the host to prevent the image from being upside down. Align the circular bracket with the connection port of the 360° rotating bracket, and then tighten and fix it with a large screw. This 360° bracket can rotate and record from different angles. Remember to install the memory card. Please note the direction when installing. You can first put the 3-in-1 power cable into the waterproof cover before installation. Connect the wired controller to the port of 3-in-1 cable. Before installing GPS, find a suitable location and wipe it clean first. Long press the P button to turn on the device. Tire pressure sensors installation. Screw the metal gasket into the air nozzle. Install the front tire pressure sensor. Move the metal gasket next to the tire pressure sensor. Tighten and fix with a wrench to prevent loss. Rear tire pressure is also installed in the same way. 360° rotating bracket installation. Unscrew the screw on one end of the bracket, place it in the appropriate position on the handlebar, and then tighten the screw. The wired controller is installed with a strap bracket. Install screws at both ends and tighten them. Then install it on the handlebar. Put the host in the circular bracket. Align the circular bracket with the connection port of the 360° rotating bracket, and then tighten and fix it with a large screw. This 360° bracket can rotate and record from different angles. You can first put the 3-in-1 power cable into the waterproof cover before installation. Then connect the host and other accessories. Cover the charging cable port with a waterproof plug. Then use cable ties to secure these cables to prevent disorganized cables. Let's see the effect of the ride.